production. Cream Island Records. Oh na 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 na. Yeah yeah. His Highness King Justin Bora za King Ambe. No bora batangoza kimanye. Enjoy the vitu vya busa busa. Enjoy the vitu vya busa busa. Bora za King Ambe. No bora batangoza kimanye. Enjoy the vitu vya busa busa. Enjoy the vitu vya busa busa. Kusala nekisa nemba bazitiboli banogenda kundeko ngambiraga. Etero mnakta yote kia. Okugonza kirwaire no bajanja batikikira. Musaya kagamba kayaka kandi kona kande kugamba kotamanyire. Olikyo buguda kyange kitagonza kindoge onkafadha nesapure. Sabo tungira kasumi okusaba kwange nukwo mtima kwange kutekane. Bora King Ambe no bora batangoza kimanye. Enjoy the vitu vya busa busa. Enjoy the vitu vya busa busa. Bora King Ambe.
Mwebalo kwija abarozi baitu abakira TV ambara kugonza mpaka kiki ni musaje mzazi kanizara usege intekaniza yetu ya kilo tugenda kubaza habuswezi ikitweka ichakabiri weekend tukamare kichweka ichabandize hati katanike kichweka ichakabiri mwikare mutyame kanihire unorusomo bya kubasemeza hata kigambo chetu ikikubanza halo ente abanyanyazi izabaha omuswezi bamazira kuswera nimanyisa the cows given to the bride by her relatives ezi tuzera tuta eziva ensagarirano kine gamno nosakosa mu mulingo nkagunu ensagarirano zirinkaha where the cow gifts for the bride ikigambe kindi okuzimura niko omukazi bwaba akozereki anobere okurugamo habaro agarayo nank the bride worth or bride price agarayo okuzimura so kera gamo umukazi nasakosa mu mulingo nkagunu mazire kuswera imyaka 10 nabonzimure I've been married for 10 years then you tell me to return dowry higambe kindi is kibwankurata kibwankurata basically in old days atinira abirokinuke akiriyo but it is a charm that is allegedly used by women to make their men fall in love with them. Yeah. Kine gambo umusiki ronde muswezi nasakosa muri nkagunu umusajja na ningena kumpa akibwa nkurata I'm going to give the man a love charm. Ikigambo kindi is okujumba kindi kigambo nikimanyisa umusajja okutwara omuhara wabandi kana omuhara ogu tamanyire basically in the formal traditional marriage the bride brings quickly the bride price to claim a wife without her consent so kuba kweta okujumba kene gamuno sakosa mu nkagunu okujumba kwa kara taking the bride without her consent is old-fashioned. Kandi kigambe kindi okukubura obusinde. Kubura obusinde is a marriage ceremony where the bride and the groom visit their bride's parents after the bridal seclusion period. So yakano abaswezi babazira kuswera bagenda mu seclusion run honeymoon okumara akaire uba bamazire bagenda babunga nanka abazaire b'omukazi kino tukyeta okukubura obusinde. Ekigambo ekindi is okusihana. Okusihana is basically adultery. Adultery, you know, that is unmarried people engaging in what? Mubimanyire, mubisome. Ekigambo osona kosa nagamba ogu omusaija nasihana. That man is adulterous. Ekigambo ekindi okukiriza. Okukiriza is a form of marriage where a girl is carried forcefully to her boy's house. Yes, so bino anyingera beera bino tinihira babikozesa baitukine gamno sakosa mu mulio kagono ebyo kukiriza byakara. Forceful marriage is old-fashioned. Igambe kindi ikijumbura. Ikijumbura is basically it's a charm used to make marriages unstable. Tinihira urundi bachabikora, but that's what it is. Kine gambo muna sokosa mulio kagono. Mukabaro muhe ikijumbura. Give your co-wife marriage charm. Ikigambe kindi engonge. Engonge is basically wedding or engagement ring. It can be a necklace or it can be a bangle. A necklace or ring is category yayo tuzita engonge. Oli nasogamba engonge yawe irinka. Where is your engagement or marriage attire, you know, something like that. Ikigambe kindi ikiwangongo. Ikiwangongo aba musaija asweire asweire nako mwana wa sister we. That is marrying your niece. Ogu aba kiwangongo. Kandi ensenyamaka ogu aba muntu atakwendeza abantu bandi obuswezi oburungi, marriage breaker. Ogu musaija kisenyamaka. That man is a marriage breaker. Igambe kindi mukabaro aba co-wife. Kine gamu kusokosa mu mulio kagono. Ebyo ebya mukabaro tukabisigira abasiramu. Those things of co-wife, we left them for Muslims. Ikigambo ekindi okusumuruka kine gambo nikimanyisa omukazi abeera asweire obusumi bwingi kandi takuzara. Obusimu burabaho yamara yazara nikibanka myaka 5 rundi 6 rundi 10. Yeah, bakweta kusumuruka. Kiragano rusakusana gamba omukazi amazire yasumuruka. The woman has finally given birth after a very long time. Ikigambe kindi ensagalizi rundi abasendekezi. These are basically bridesmaids. Kine gamo rusakosa mulio kagono. Habuswezi nitwetaga ensagalizi zingaha. During the marriage, how many bridesmaids do we need? Okay, rikatumaza tumemu, then tugaruke nekichwa chote cha kabiri. Muhulizikana akazina kanire kajja kubasemeza.
Muhara wakasoha ntuha vinyugunyuntu kagamba ndi muswera ntuha vinyugunyuntu kibuze kikoto ntuha vinyugunyuntu enterugaju ntuha vinyugunyuntu ekite kikoto ntuha vinyugunyuntu siringirunana ntuha vinyugunyuntu 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 ndaswerwa vinyugunyuntu timanya kuhata vinyugunyuntu timanya kuchumba vinyugunyuntu timanya kuhaiga vinyugunyuntu
Wala banozi Bakitara TV kanihire aka kazina kabasemiza. Okay, reka tweyongere ne kichoka cyaitu cya kabiri. Ikigambe kindi muharakati. Muharakati ni uwo muhara azarabana takaswire kandi cyali mwaka gaisebwe. A girl who gets children while she's still on her parents' house. Ogutumweta muhara kazi. Mu southwestern baweta muhara muhara kazi baitu mu western aba muhara kati. Ikigambe kindi ikinyansunju aba mukazi aikara no musaijo ndi takabaire kuswera rundi concubine kandi omukazi ya oga concubine basically ikinyansunju oga aba concubine kine gamro sakosa mumulimo kaguno ogu omukazi kinyansunju, that woman is a concubine. Kandi ikigambe kindi bachelor tumweta tuta bachelor aba inzira kareju rundi omuhuru kine gamro sakosa mumulimo kaguno ogu omusaija inzira kareju, that man is a bachelor. Kandi bachelorette, you know, aba musiki who is single. Ogu tumweta tuta. Ogu aba omwiga mahega. Ogu mukazi kagwa mahega. That woman is a bachelorette. Kandi ikigambe kindi omusajja mukuru atakaswire another one who is not yet married to mwetota ogu abakasinga kinegamro kisokosa muli kagunu ogu musaija kasinga, that man is old and is not yet married. Ikigambe kindi cheyombekire aba mukazi ataswire kandi aikara wenka nasakuleta abasajja na nabo ogabe abamwita cheyombekire kire gamulo sakosa mule kagunu ogu omukazi cheyombekire, that is an independent unmarried woman. Igambe kindi okurabuka bino biba bisembo biba bisembo rundi eba function where in-laws baha umwisike bisembo iba mugonzaho rundi iba mugonzaho, so okubaruka, it's basically a function where gifts to give gifts to a newly married wife by her in-laws at a ceremony, and members of the family shall have their likes and dislikes. Gambe kindi okwesagara basically aniwo mwisiki agenda kuswera atagambire abantu abomuka, you know, oko baketa kwesagara. The girl gets married without informing her parents and relatives. Ekigambo ekindi, abasinzire basically abana b'abasajja babiri either nibaligira omukazi omu. So basically these are two women who are trying to date the same girl, all who are married from the same family. Aba baita abasanzire. Ikigambo ekindi, mafuka abamusajja rundi mwojo agenda n'omuswezi amaka omuswera abamwojo agenda n'omuswera mu maka g'omuswezi bamazire ngabuko nimanyisaki. This is mafuka is a boy who goes with the groom to her bride's parents home after the honeymoon. Ogo mwita mafuka. Kandi ikigambo ekindi musare. Musare is a sister-in-law who goes with the bride to her home after her honeymoon. Uwa mwita musare. Kandi ikigambo ekindi empenda rubango. Empenda rubango is basically a bride price for the father only. Ikinegambo nosakosa mumulio nkagunu. Nyowe nkanyineka nyina kutunga empenda rubango yange. Me as the man of the house, I have to get empenda rubango. Ikigambo ekindi okwarama. Okwarama is basically honeymoon for the bride only. Ikinegambo olina sokosa muli nkagunu. Engabuko mali tekumara okwarama kusisa bwire. You mean the honeymoon was not enough? Okwarama is wasting time. Ikigambo ekindi okwarura. Okwarura is basically bringing in the bride from solution. Kinegambo nosakosa muli nkagunu omuswezi nitumwarura di. When are we bringing in the bride from a solution? Ikigambo ekindi omumiki. Omumiki abamutayi rundi nganjani rundi munyanya onu nuwe atware bisembo mumaka ga bride ebiro bibiraho mumazire okuswera. So mumiki is the visitor who takes bridal gifts to the bride a few days after giveaway. Ikigambo kumalira is uruhangaro. Ruhangaro means anniversary. Sirigambo nosakosa mumuli nkagunu. Uruhangaro rw'obuswezi bwawe ruliyodi. When is your marriage anniversary? Okay. Kanihire urusomo rwa kerokino rubasemize amabara kugonza impaka kiki. Ndi musajja muzazi kanizara abasaidi. Mwebali nywena murare kumwe kandi musiro kurungi.
Kitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa.
Okuswera omukazi wehanuze, okuswera omukazi wehanuze, otakaswera omukazi wehanuze, okuswera omukazi wehanuze, omwana woha wehanuze, okuswera omukazi wehanuze, azarwoha wehanuze okuswera omukazi wehanuze ize w'oruganda ki wehanuze okuswera omukazi wehanuze maama we w'oruganda ki wehanuze okuswera omukazi wehanuze omwana ono akora emirimu wehanuze okuswera omukazi wehanuze akasomaho wehanuze okuswera omukazi wehanuze asobora kuhandiika ibara lye wehanuze okuswera omukazi wehanuze mwana w'engeso wehanuze okuswera omukazi wehanuze kaniire tarumu emize wehanuze okuswera omukazi wehanuze okuswera omukazi wehanuze otakaswera omukazi wehanuze